Good morning. Thank you all for joining us today to help celebrate this important event. It's nice to have good news given all that's happening in our world. Certainly, we're dealing with change now, and today we're going to talk about some response to that change. I'm Mike Kazmersky, CEO of EDAWN. I want to welcome you to our virtual press conference. Today we're sharing great news about a new education program that can help many of the unemployed in our region jumpstart a new career in manufacturing. As you may know, we've become an attractive community for advanced manufacturing with almost 100 new manufacturing companies coming to our region in the past 8 years. Most notably Tesla, but many other great manufacturing companies bringing quality jobs that average over $70,000 a year. So think about that. We're currently experiencing high unemployment. Obviously, with the pandemic, that's an issue. Fortunately, in our community, because manufacturers are generally back at work, our unemployment rate is actually below the national average. But many of the jobs lost during this pandemic will not return. So this program, funded by a grant which provides free tuition for qualified candidates, is really a tremendous opportunity for job seekers looking to transition to a new career. I did say funded, and I did say free. So those are key points on the program. As you know, community colleges play a critical role in providing workforce development training, and we are fortunate to have 2 great community colleges in our region, ready and willing to help job seekers get the skills they need to fill these jobs that are coming to our area. Today, you'll be hearing from representatives from the University of Nevada, Reno, Nevada Industry Excellence, Western Nevada College, and Panasonic Energy of North America. They will get into the details of the Manufacturing Technician 1 Express Online Certification Prep Program, MT1 for short. To kick this off, I'd like to introduce Ellen Purpose, UNR Assistant Vice President of Enterprise and Innovation. Ellen, come on up.
So as Mike mentioned, I'm Assistant Vice President for Enterprise and Innovation, and among other things, that includes having the privilege of working with Nevada Industry Excellence. So the university, through Nevada Industry Excellence and its amazing team, is very happy, actually delighted to support the program for students to acquire the skills and abilities for them to enter and progress in advanced manufacturing, which hopefully will also include some continuing education and advanced and enhanced employment opportunities. So Nevada Industry Excellence, which you'll hear more about in a moment, is part of the university, and NVIE is a fantastic resource for the manufacturing sector throughout the state of Nevada and in our region. And the university strongly supports the mission of developing comprehensive, proven solutions to manufacturers, fueling growth and advancing U.S. manufacturing in general. As Northern Nevada continues to diversify its economy, the need for skilled workers in the advanced manufacturing sector becomes greater and greater. And so we have a great marriage of the ability to educate folks, displaced workers and otherwise, to learn about advanced manufacturing, advance their careers, and advance the economy of Northern Nevada. So thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mark Anderson, and I serve as the Director of Nevada Industry Excellence. We are the State of Nevada's Manufacturing Extension Partnership as a partnership between the U.S. Department of Commerce and the Nevada System of Higher Education. And our mission and goal is to help manufacturing and high tech grow within the state of Nevada. And we are so very grateful to EDAWN today for their hosting and setting up this press conference of what we believe is a really tremendous opportunity to help Nevadans who've been negatively impacted economically through the pandemic to get back to work in careers that are exciting, high paying, and have tremendous long-term potential. One of the things that's really interesting is that during the pandemic, Many manufacturers were impacted by COVID-19, couldn't help but be impacted. But if we look at manufacturing as a whole, it remained extremely resilient throughout the pandemic. And what we find right now is that we have manufacturers from other states and other countries that are now reshoring and bringing their opportunities across the state of Nevada. So really, this has been driven a lot by our manufacturing community. I also want to thank Empower America for getting involved and helping with this. But in the last month alone, we've received over 20 support letters in Northern Nevada from manufacturers that represents really anywhere between 300 and 400 manufacturing job openings over the next year. And then I was just really pleased this morning to get our support letter from Panasonic. And that really means that as we add those jobs that they will have within the area, manufacturing, advanced manufacturing, technology is going to continue growing in Northern Nevada for years to come. And we're extremely excited about that. And the cool thing about the MT1 program is that it's only a starting point to amazing career in manufacturing, which is, it's new, it's clean, it's high tech, and there's great opportunities, and it's stable. You know, I don't know if many people know this, but during the pandemic, Panasonic did not lay off one employee due to COVID-19. Those are the type of opportunities that are there for manufacturers. Also, this training is stackable with WNC's mechatronics program, TMCC's advanced manufacturing apprenticeship programs, and in Southern Nevada, CSN's upcoming CNC machining programs, and Great Basin College's existing machine programs. So this is really an opportunity for the education community across the state to come together and each do their part to help build the manufacturing opportunities that are here within the state. There are definitely opportunities for people to grow and learn while they earn while they learn, if they're willing to put in the work. So I want to encourage any Nevadan who is out there who is looking at the opportunities that are out there for them to consider the MT1 program and the opportunities that it can have for them for a fantastic career. Thank you.
Good morning, Facebook world. My name is Vince Ellis, and I'm the president at Western Nevada College. Mike, I want to thank you and your staff for hosting this amazing event related to job skills, connecting people, and more importantly, developing careers that can help Nevadans succeed. Well, Mike, you mentioned a couple of things that were really important in your comments. One is that there are jobs out there. Our region is unique in that we have jobs that are available for individuals seeking those jobs. Our goal is to connect those jobs with people that have the skill set. And what I'm here to talk about is the skill set availability at Western Nevada College. We've been talking about this MT1 program that we have. A couple of things that you'll hear about from me in broad terms, and then you'll hear from our amazing faculty about the details of the program. One, the program is available, the MT1 Express is available through our partners at no cost. As Mike mentioned, that's really important. Two, when you get these program opportunities, this program is available online and it is competency-based, which means that you can move through the program as quickly as you can based on your learning style. We have amazing faculty that will help you through the program, but more importantly, once you're done with this foundation, it gives you access to jobs, to high-paying, good quality jobs, and this is an important part of what we're trying to do in terms of connecting people that want to develop skills to get into better jobs. We will do that for you at Western Nevada College at no cost to our partners. If for some chance you don't qualify through some of our partners, please keep in mind that we have some very robust scholarships that are also available. This program, if you were to pay for it on your own, would cost about $1,500, but thanks to the work of many in this room, this program is available to you at no cost if you come through one of our partner schools. So please keep in mind that Western Nevada College is your home for personalized, high-quality instructions. I guarantee that you'll love our instructors, and you won't be disappointed with what you learn, and more importantly, the career that you access with what you learned at Western. Have a great day.
I'm Professor Emily Howarth, and I lead the Automation and Industrial Technology Center at Western Nevada College. I'm the Senior Technical Trainer for the MT1 program, and I'm a Master Trainer for MT1 and Mechatronics. This innovative program, the MT1 Express Online, is a series of 2 college classes. The content is available 24/7 through the internet, and it's self-paced within the session dates. If you're an employer, this should appeal to you because the program will enhance and supplement any existing training programs that you have in place. Your employees will work through a series of technical topics, and they'll demonstrate their competency as they prepare to earn their industry certification. This will set a baseline for you, a foundation to build upon. The workforce will be developed as capabilities are identified, and communication between job roles will increase. For an individual, this is your opportunity to excel. This program will give you the opportunity to not only gain college credit, but to earn your industry certification. It'll show that you can take on challenges and motivate yourself to move through technical equipment quickly. This program will prepare you for opportunities not only in manufacturing, but in a variety of industries in our Nevada workforce, including mining, electronics, healthcare, other technology fields, logistics, distribution. In the program, we'll study electricity and electrical systems, mechanical systems like gears and pulleys. We'll take a look at quality and why it's important to organizations. We'll focus on lean manufacturing and the tools and methods for that, such as 5S. We'll study a little bit of chemistry, thermodynamics, pneumatics. We'll investigate safety as a key component to business success. And we'll talk about how your role in the organization contributes to the success of the business. Trainees in the program will learn industrial basics like tools and fasteners, and then develop troubleshooting skills through problem-solving strategies. This well-rounded program of fundamentals will prepare individuals to enter the workforce or to be ready to take on more complex tasks if already working in the field. As our instructional team has led many Nevadans through the MT1 certification process, some individuals rise to the top as success stories that we want to share. So I'd like to introduce you to an MT1 who was in the very first group of individual technicians who were certified in the state of Nevada. I'll let her share her thoughts with you about the value and the impact of this program. Here's Lindsey Moore.
Good morning. Thank you for having me, and thank you to Emily. I wouldn't be here without her. My name is Lindsey. I am currently employed at ClickBond in Carson City. I went through her AIT program in 2015, and I have been employed with ClickBond since then. I have the MT1 certification. I've gone through and done the NCRC certification, and I've also gone through her Siemens mechatronic courses. The MT1 is the baseline certification for the industry. Like she went over, learning about all of those things and coming into a manufacturing environment, you know what lean is, you know what 5S is, and you understand these terminology that an employer is going to want you to know. You're going to be required to find the most efficient ways to do your job. You know, we're always looking at ways to improve the bottom line. You go through business acumen modules in the MT1, and you just understand that terminology, and it covers the entire manufacturing process, from financials, quality, the actual production of it, and brings it all together, and it's a great place to start. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Chris McLean. I'm the Senior Manager of Talent Acquisition for Panasonic Energy of North America. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody in this room for including Panasonic in this great event and giving us an opportunity to lend support to such a great program as the MT1 program. The skills that individuals will receive and attain through these types of programs are invaluable to companies such as Panasonic Energy of North America. I will guarantee you, for those who complete the program, you will have a head start, a jump start on a career. And I use that word career not lightly. A lot of people talk about getting a job. What we look for, folks that are looking for careers, longevity, folks that want to join our family and be a part of our 7 business principles. COVID has definitely thrown a curveball into a lot of people's lives. And one of those 7 principles we have is called adaptability. and it's something that we live by every single day. The folks that have completed the MT1 programs definitely come into our company with a head start, a vast understanding of the basics of what manufacturing is. And it's pretty cool that folks in this region are able to join companies such as Panasonic and Tesla and to be a part of advanced manufacturing, part of companies that are leading the way in electronic vehicles and battery technology, not just for the region or for the United States, but for the world. And as you've seen, a lot of other companies are now having a lot of commercials out there about EVs, and it's all because of what we have done here in Northern Nevada. With that said, I would like to make a statement on behalf of Panasonic and the recruiting team here and let everybody know that any individual that completes the MT1 program will be guaranteed an interview with Panasonic Energy of North America and have an opportunity to join our family. Thank you very much.
All through school, I wanted a job that was not one of those go in, get a paycheck, go home kind of jobs. I wanted to do something where by doing my job well, I knew that I was contributing just a little bit to pushing the world in the direction I feel like is important. So today we understand how critically important renewable energy and electric vehicles are in transitioning the world to sustainable energy. The Gigafactory is the tip of the spear when it comes to that electric vehicle transition. Panasonic is the world leader in lithium-ion batteries right now. So it was very obvious to me where my dream job was. Ultimately, the full transition to renewable energy and sustainable transportation is kind of my overarching goal, I suppose, something that I really want to be part of. This kind of transition has to come from all directions. It can't just be electric vehicles, because if you're charging electric vehicles from a coal-fired power plant, you've only really solved half the problem. Being able to be part of a factory that is accelerating this transition to renewable energy and electric vehicles, and to be able to see the fruits of your labor driving next to you on the highway, that's an amazing thing. The most rewarding thing about my work is being able to wake up every morning and know that by going to work and doing a good job, I am contributing just the smallest bit to making the world a better place. To be part of something so big and so important, who wouldn't want to do something like that? It is an extraordinary opportunity, and I am honestly just grateful to be a part of it.
So exciting. So there you have it. Everything an interested job seeker needs to know and take advantage of this exceptional training opportunity. With our growth as an advanced manufacturing hub, this program not only provides a pathway to a quality manufacturing career, but also helps attract even more great manufacturing jobs to our region. Thank you again to all the partners who presented today. And didn't they do a great job? Hopefully you know a whole lot more. Let's give them a virtual round of applause. A special thanks to Empower America and the local Workforce Investment Board, Nevada Works, which helped to make this happen. Finally, thanks to the members of the EDAWN organization, Cynthia Egan and Norma Yamanchi, who set up this virtual press conference, and our conference producer, SOSU TV. Also, Nancy McCormick, the Senior VP of the Business Retention, Expansion, and Workforce Development Program, and Amy Fleming, our Director of Workforce Development, who really leads the charge on all our workforce development initiatives. Finally, the rest of the EDAWN staff, our board, and our major investors who make everything that EDAWN does possible. Thank you all again for joining us today. Have a great day, and sign up quickly. The spaces are going fast. Thanks.